Hi there, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel, and we are walking around the town of Presentacion, Camarines Sur, and we just found a livelihood program here by the LGU or local government unit. So let's check it out. So here are some of their products. These are actually handicraft. It's actually for export internationally. We featured earlier the town fiesta, and we showed that Abaca is actually one of the main products of the town. So that is why the LGU is spearheading this livelihood program, participated by some local stakeholders, craftsmen. Now look at how wonderfully done these products are. So it's not your usual, samod as we call it here in the locality. Really nice. And I think they also participated in the trade fair right there at Naga City, Robinson's Mall. So you might want to check it out as well. Or perhaps you can just reach them for possible orders. Perhaps there's more that they produce, but so far these are what's available here at the shop located here at Presentacion proper. So it's raining here, and by the way, this area is surrounded by seawater, surrounded by the sea. It's actually part of Nagonoy Peninsula, Bicol Peninsula, Southern Luzon, Pasido Peninsula, on the way to Caramoan. If you are interested, you might want to contact Mr. Presentacion here. Incidentally, the place is also called Presentacion. You want to order, and if you're a reseller or handicraft dealer. Alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and CMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword and with some handicrafts. Thanks for watching.